Well, Republic TV now gets you an exclusive report from the line of control. Pakistan has been completely rattled after forces eliminated Hizbul terrorist Riaz Naiku, and sources in the intelligence agencies have now told your channel that Pakistan is already plotting unrest in areas around the line of control. Sources also confirming to us that Pakistan planning to target areas and forces from 60 launch pads. Republic TV's Jammu Bureau Chief Fatehjinder Singh Sori gets us this exclusive report from the line of control. Take a look.
Right now we are in the Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district where heavy exchange of firing is going on. If my video journalist Gaurav could show you, you can see that hillock is where from Pakistan is resorting to unprovoked ceasefire violation, targeting the civilian population and the forward post of the Indian Army. You can see that the entire line of that hillock is where the notorious posts of Pakistan are located. We are just a few meters away from the line of control fence, and after that the Pakistani posts which are resorting to unprovoked ceasefire violation, targeting not only the civilian population but also the forward post of the Indian Army. As we were entering this village, we heard several gunshots that were fired and also several heavy mortars that Pakistan Army used to target the civilian population. Right now firing is still going on at the line of control, where the Pakistan Army is targeting not only the forward post of the Indian Army but also the civilian population of this village. There are inputs with the Indian Army that Pakistan Army is trying to push in the infiltrators into the Indian side. There are several notorious terror training camps on the other side of this hillock. If my video journalist Gaurav could show you, you can see that beyond this hillock we have been told that several terror training camps are located there, and several launch pads have also been reactivated by the Pakistan Army, where large number of terrorists, they are waiting for an opportunity to infiltrate into the Indian side, and the Pakistan Army is giving cover fire to them. The Indian Army is maintaining highest level of vigil on the line of control, following the inputs that around 400 to 470 terrorists in various more than 60 launch pads, they are waiting for an opportunity to sneak into the Indian side. Right now Indian Army is retaliating heavily to the Pakistani fire. We have been told that the Pakistan Army has been suffering huge casualties, but Pakistan Army does not disclose the number of people the Pakistan Army is losing in the ceasefire violation. But yes, right now heavy exchange of firing is going on. This is the Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district, and even in the evening when we were entering this village, heavy gunshots were being heard from both the sides. The Indian Army was retaliating effectively. Heavy mortars are being used by either side to target the forward posts of each other. Pakistan on the other hand is trying to target the civilian population, and right now Indian Army is retaliating effectively.
Heavy exchange of firing is right now going on in the Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district, and my video journalist Gaurav can show you that right now heavy exchange of firing is going on from the Pakistan side. Pakistan is deliberately once again targeting not only the forward post of the Indian Army but also the civilian areas. This is the Sundarbani sector, and what you are seeing on your TV screen right now are the notorious posts of the Pakistan Army on the Pakistan side, from where the Pakistan is trying to push in the infiltrators into the Indian side. The Indian Army has the intelligence inputs that Pakistan Army is trying to push in large number of trained terrorists who are waiting at several launch pads which have been reactivated on the other side of the line of control, and there are more than 400 to 470 terrorists who are waiting for an opportunity to sneak in into the Indian side. Because of the continuous heightened vigil of the Indian Army on the line of control, the notorious designs of the Pakistan Army to send in those infiltrators into the Indian side, those notorious designs are being foiled. You can hear these gunshots and heavy mortar shelling that is going on right now in the Sundarbani sector. We are just a few meters away from the line of control, and you can hear the heavy exchange of fire is going on right now in this sector. Right now heavy exchange of fire is going on. Republic TV has become the only television channel to have come to this place on the line of control to show you the ground reality, how the situation on the line of control right now is. There is heavy exchange of firing going on from both the sides. Pakistan is once again targeting the civilian population on the line of control, and heavy exchange of firing is going on.
People living in the mainland India does not know how the situation on the line of control is and how difficult it is when you have a neighbor like Pakistan which keeps on targeting you. Right now, heavy exchange of firing is going on in the Sundarbani sector where we are standing right now. You can hear that heavy exchange of firing is going on in the Sundarbani sector where Pakistan is deliberately targeting the civilian population on the line of control. The people here, the civilians here, for them it has become a routine because for the past several weeks they have been continuously bearing the brunt of Pakistani firing. Right now the firing is on, but you can see that for people it's business as usual. You can see that right now as the firing is going on, they have to leave everything behind and to take shelter inside their houses. You can see my video journalist, if I'll ask my video journalist Gaurav to follow me right now, heavy exchange of firing is going on, and for these people it's business as usual. You can see that the elderly people, for them the life on the line of control is like this because Pakistan deliberately targets the civilian population. And you can also see that for this newlywed couple, the situation on ground, it's entirely different. People in the mainland, while they are enjoying, they are staying at home because of the coronavirus. They have been told to stay at home. They have all the facilities, but they have to this couple, they have to go to every day they have to go in the forest area to bring firewood to make sure that they cook their 2 square meals. But because of the Pakistani firing, every day they face this problem when Pakistan resorts to unprovoked ceasefire violation targeting the civilian population. Let's try to talk to this gentleman and get to know the situation on the line of control. भाई साहब, हम यहाँ आपके गांव में आए हैं, फायरिंग हो रही है, किस तरह की सिचुएशन रहती है यहाँ पर?
फायरिंग के टाइम तो सिचुएशन आपको पता ही है, हम तो छुप के रहना पड़ता है। कहीं कभी खाना बनाने के टाइम अंदर आना है, कभी कैसे आना है, कभी बाहर माल देखने जाना, तब भी फायरिंग कब किसी टाइम हो जाए कोई पता नहीं होता।
तो जानबूझ के पाकिस्तान जो है यहाँ पर सिविलियन, आप हमने देखा अभी आपके साथ बाहर बात कर रहे थे, देख रहे थे कि आपकी मिसेस खाना बना रहे थे तो एकदम से अचानक से फायरिंग शुरू हो गई। तो ऐसा क्या यहाँ रोज होता है?
लगभग तो इस टाइम रोज ही हो रहा है। कोई इसका कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं, कब होना, दिन में होता है, शाम को होता है, जब भी उनका अपनी मर्जी से कभी कभी हो ही जाता है, जब देखो होते रहता है।
तो आप लोगों को टारगेट किया जाता है। एक आखिरी गांव है ये, साथ में कुछ ही मीटर दूर पाकिस्तान है, तो किस तरह की मुश्किलें इस गांव के लोगों को फेस करनी पड़ती हैं?
मुश्किलें तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, कभी पानी की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, पानी भी कभी कम आता है, कभी आता है, फिर कहीं बाहर।
तो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से किस तरह से आप लोगों को जानबूझ के जब निशाना बनाया जाता है?
पाकिस्तान का तो जानबूझ के ही करता है। तो गाँव में सिविल में आके फायरिंग पड़ती है, तो हम कहीं भी काम बाहर जाते हैं तो खेत में जाते हैं, वहां आ जाता है फायरिंग। कोई टाइम टेबल है नहीं इसका, कब पड़ेगा कब नहीं पड़ेगा।
So you see that the situation on the line of control is like this, that these people they are a newlywed couple, but for them every day is a struggle with life and death. They have to save themselves almost every day because Pakistan resorts to unprovoked ceasefire violation targeting this civilian population, while the people in the rest of the country, they don't know how the situation on the line of control is, how hard it is to be on the line of control, to live on the line of control where you have a neighbor like Pakistan which resorts to unprovoked aggression, unprovoked ceasefire violation. Right now in this Sundarbani sector, heavy exchange of firing is still on. We Republic Media Network is the first television channel to have reached here where the people have to bear the brunt of Pakistani aggression. When the entire world is fighting the pandemic of COVID-19, the people are struggling to survive because of the coronavirus, but Pakistan wants to push in the terrorists into the Indian side